What's up, guys? Got another Tesla video for you. This customer came in, seen my last video, wanted the same kind of lighting put in his vehicle. So I wanted to show you guys this and then maybe just kind of hit on a couple things for you new guys. So let me show you what we got going on. 2023 Tesla Model X. Got our ambient light kit. I'm sitting in the back seat here so I can kind of give you a good look. What we like to do is right along the door trim, we like to follow the chrome piece. We think it looks more factory. Same thing on this side. Just kind of follow the chrome piece right up underneath of it. We feel like that's how it would be done if it was done by Tesla themselves. We do get a little bit, and of course I'm outside so you can't see it too much, but you do get a little bit of ambient glow underneath each of the seats as well. Give me a second, guys. The car just timed out on me. There we go. So we do get the ambient glow underneath. And then we got the front door panels. We do the dash. What we also like to do is, a lot of customers have been requesting the center console area as well. Let me get out of the car real quick. So we got to shut it. So the way we have it hooked up, I'll give it a second here. So when the car goes, when all the doors close, everything does turn off. As soon as you actually get in the vehicle, everything will turn on. So when the car wakes up, so do the lights. Now this kit is app controlled. So if you don't like the, I do the rainbows just so you can kind of see the variable colors that you get to choose from. But it is app controlled. A lot of people don't want rainbow, which I understand. You can then just select any color that you want through the app. It's also got different modes, chasing modes. So you can definitely make it your own. The same thing on this side. These are acrylic strips, so these aren't the nasty tubes, so you can really see how well they fit down in there. Of course, nothing will ever be as perfect as factory because they kind of build it into the panel, but in my opinion, these are absolutely the next best thing. So you can definitely see they're not bulky, they don't stand out. We get them to where they sit very, very flush. And then, yeah. So if you got any questions on this, reach out to me. I know I'm very bad at responding to people, and I do apologize. I'm sure a lot of you YouTubers understand that it's not the easiest thing to keep up with this stuff. But I'll definitely try to answer any questions you guys have. I do ship these kits. So just kind of reach out to me if you're wanting to ship one of these kits. We offer installation as well. If you're in the Maryland area, again, reach out to me. I'll gladly do one of these for you. Done a couple of them now, thanks to you guys on YouTube for the support. I appreciate the people that come in. You know, it's definitely been a learning process with some of the Teslas, especially the new 15-volt ones, trying to find a usable power source and what works best and stuff like that. So we definitely got it down packed now. So if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. Until next time.